In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an eBay credit card. Whether you're a regular shopper on eBay looking to enjoy some great benefits or simply exploring your credit card options, this guide will walk you through the process of applying for an eBay credit card. So, let's dive right in. To begin, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to eBay's website by typing in ebay.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, log into your existing eBay account. If you don't yet have an account, you'll need to create one, which is simple and straightforward. Simply click Register and follow the steps to set up your new account. Remember to have your email account handy, as you'll need to verify your information. Once logged in, direct your attention to the top of the homepage. Here you'll find the search box prominently displayed, but instead of searching, look for the section labeled Gift Cards. Click on it. It's important to note that this section is part of eBay's broader range of financial services and offers. Don't worry if it seems a bit unusual to find credit card information here. After clicking on Gift Cards, you'll be taken to a new page. You'll notice a button labeled Start Gifting. Go ahead and click on that. While this section primarily deals with e-gift cards, it provides access to the credit card application process as well. It might seem a little indirect, but stay with me. The next step will clarify everything. Now the next button you'll see is Let's Go. Go ahead and click it. Doing so will redirect you to the credit card registration page. This is where the application process for the eBay credit card officially begins. On this page, you'll be asked to fill out an application form. It will require information such as your name, address, social security number, yearly income, and possibly additional financial details. While filling in your information, ensure that everything is accurate and up to date. Providing incorrect details can slow down the application process or even result in a denial of your application. Once you've completed all the fields, double-check your entries and proceed to submit your application for review. Keep in mind that approval times can vary. It's normal for financial institutions to take a bit of time to process credit card applications. If you're approved, you'll receive your new eBay credit card with instructions on how to activate and start using it. That wraps up the process of acquiring an eBay credit card. Remember, with your new card, you can enjoy numerous benefits, including rewards on your purchases and possibly special financing offers. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.